Through the long typhoon months of 1976, homeless children roamed the city's streets in search of dry areas to sleep on. It was a sight that prompted Pastor Jose and Fe Mexica to offer their home to as many children as they could. As the couple began to minister to the homeless children, their church ministry of 16 years shifted to a new direction. From their small apartment, they offered shelter to these children, and as they increased in number, people here and abroad unselfishly shared their resources and provided much-needed encouragement.
Yung mga bata dito noon ay talagang masaya sila. Yung mga bata na nakuha na kararating pa lang nila, malungkot. Sa umpisa nalulungkot sila kasi di siguro sila nasasanay sa buhay na yung may nangangalaga sila. Yung mga batang palaboy-laboy sa siyudad, sa Maynila.
Soon, Pastor Jose and Fe Mexica were able to set up a foundation for child ministry.
Tinuruan nila akong magpuri ng tama na hindi plastic, hindi maging totoo sa lahat ng oras.
From their apartment in Cubao, they moved back to their town in San Antonio, Zambales into 3 rented houses. Not long after, the Shepherd of the Hills Children's Home and Rural Development Foundation Incorporated found its place on a sprawling 5-hectare property that lies near the foot of the Pamatawan Mountain. The orphanage receives children referred by the Department of Social Welfare and Development and other institutions such as Bantay Bata. Over the years, hundreds of needy children have received feeding, training, and home care. Through the various programs and services, the children receive healing and regain their self-esteem. The children are nurtured into mature and accountable Christian individuals.
Dito, una nakapag-encourage sa akin yung nakikita ko yung mga bata na datihan dito na meron silang panahon na nagkakaroon sila ng devotion every night. Pagkatapos meron silang mga schedule. May mga oras sila sa kanilang mga ginagawa.
It is a community of 4 residential bungalows, each having 2 nanays who oversee close to 20 children per bungalow.
Ako yung unang naka-graduate sa Bible School. Ako yung unang produkto ng Shepherd.
They have adequate recreational facilities that include a basketball court, a swimming pool, a billiard table, and a spacious playing area surrounded by verdant pine trees and fruit-bearing mango trees.
Masaya ang buhay dito kasi dito mo naranasan ko dito yung magkaroon ng mga ate, ng panibagong parang pamilya na kami. Dito ko rin naranasan magdasal. Masaya ako kasi mabait sa amin si Ante, siya yung nagturo na manalangin kami, dito ako natutong kumanta. Dito rin ako natutong sa lahat ng bagay, maging matatag.
Now on its 28th year, the foundation continues in its mission to receive and provide opportunities for growth and development to deprived and destitute children.
Naglalaro din po kami ng maayos at wala po sa amin nadidisgrasya. Nagpapasalamat din po kami kay Lord na kinuha niya po yung mga anak ni Antepe upang turuan kami ng salita ng Panginoon at upang turuan kaming alagaan ng mabuti at gabayan sa araw-araw.
Talagang na-feel ko yung pamilya talaga dito sa Shepherd.
The home is more than a shelter. It is a place of nurturing, training, and growth. A place where physical, emotional, and spiritual healing happens. A home where a disadvantaged child receives adequate preparation for a productive life ahead.
Pagdating din po ng panahon is makapag-serve din po ako sa mga same children, same orphan na katulad ko po. Same time maging model din po para sa kanila, especially those children who are now in the Shepherd.
God has brought us this far, and by His grace and faithfulness, we believe more children will be accommodated. Presently, Shepherd of the Hills is preparing a facility for infants in Project 4 Manila. We will be launching the new home in answer to a growing number of surrendered and abandoned babies. It is our hope that we will be able to expand and achieve sustainable levels on our facilities as we make room for this growing need. But we cannot do it alone. We need people who will partner with us in opening the doors of hope to a child who has nowhere to go. Because we believe that in helping these children find their home, we are helping ourselves in securing the future generation.